Did you know one lie at a happy hour can destroy your entire life in 30 minutes? This guy told his coworkers he was single, told his girlfriend he was working late, and told his side piece he broke up with his girlfriend. Big mistake. So he's at this bar acting all available when his coworker goes, "I have the perfect girl for you." Now he's sweating. Then his phone buzzes. His girlfriend texting, "Surprise! Coming to your office with dinner." He's like, "I'm cooked." But wait, it gets worse. His side piece posts an Instagram story at the same bar saying, "Finally free and ready to party." His girlfriend sees it, checks his location. He's not at work. 20 minutes later, his girlfriend walks into the bar. His coworkers start introducing him to their friend. And his side piece walks up like, "Baby, I've been looking everywhere for you." The silence was deadly. His girlfriend goes, "Baby?" That's when everyone realized this man's whole life was a lie. He lost all his aura points that night.